Subscribe to Feminism in India for your dose of intersectional feminist content and make sure to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Here's your wrap of news for the week gone by. Students across India have been up in arms demanding that the JEE and NEET examinations be delayed. Countrywide student protests have continued non-stop from the flood-hit states such as Bihar, Gujarat and Assam to those in Jammu and Kashmir, where internet restrictions continue making preparation for exams a challenge. As many as 6 opposition-ruled states moved the Supreme Court on Friday, seeking review of its order permitting the centre to conduct NEET and JEE entrance exams this year. Kerala Health Minister KK Shailaja was crowned the winner of the World's Top 50 Thinkers List 2020 by the UK-based Prospect magazine. The list was published in the latest issue of the magazine that named the top 50 thinkers in the COVID-19 age. KK Shailaja, also known as Shailaja Teacher, beat New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern to top the list as the winning thinker of the COVID-19 age. Ardern secured the second position on the list and was followed by Bangladeshi architect Marina Tabassum. The list was prepared by collating the results of a public ballot that saw 20,000 votes being cast and counted. India's economy shrank by 23.9% in April and June, much more than forecast and pointing to a longer than previously expected recovery, with analysts calling for further stimulus. Consumer spending, private investments and export all collapsed during the world's strictest lockdown imposed in late March to combat the coronavirus pandemic in India. India, the world's fastest growing large economy until a few years ago, now looks to be headed for its first full year of contraction since 1980. Noor Inayat Khan, a World War II spy and descendant of ruler Tipu Sultan, became the first Indian origin woman to be honoured with the Blue Plaque in the UK. The Blue Plaque scheme, run by the English Heritage Charity, honours notable people and organisations by installing a sign in a public place to commemorate the link between the place and the person. The plaque has been awarded to Noor Inayat Khan for her service in the Special Operations Executive during World War II. She was the first female radio operator to be sent into Nazi-occupied France and is also remembered as Britain's first Muslim war heroine. The coronavirus pandemic will widen the poverty gap between women and men, pushing 47 million more women and girls into impoverished lives by next year and undoing progress made in recent decades, the United Nations said. Worldwide, more women than men will be made poor by the economic fallout and the massive job losses caused by COVID-19, with informal workers worst hit in sub-Saharan African and Latin America, according to new UN estimates.